Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about metrics. My main goal is to create all the relevant topics related to metrics. But today we'll first understand what is the definition of metrics and then the basic fundamentals of metrics. So metrics is a rectangular array of numbers. So what does it mean? We normally represent matrix m by n, where m represents basically the number of rows, and n represents the number of columns. Okay. First, we will start with a square matrix. Let's first start with a square matrix, and square matrix is where you have same number of rows and same number of columns. Okay. So we will write it something like this. I'm going here so that it will be easy. So 2 by 2 matrix, for example, let's consider A is a matrix and it will be 1 0 2 3. I'm just using some number. Okay, so that's a 2 by 2 matrix. If we consider 3 by 2 matrix, that will be something like 1 2 3 4 5 6, because we have 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. Okay, 2 by 3, in this case it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will be our 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, I think up to this it's very clear. Okay, now one interesting thing is when any of these dimensions, so that's mean when, let me just change the color probably. So when any of this dimension, sorry, the color change. Okay, when any of these dimensions like m or n, if it is 1, so what does it mean? If it is m into 1, then it will be look like something this, right? A, B, C, something like this, because now we have m number of rows. Let's consider here m equal to 3. So whenever any of this dimension is 1, then it is called vector. Okay, I'll probably just remove this it is called, so that it will be, yeah. So then remember this is actually a vector. This is a vector, and specifically this is column vector. Okay, on the other hand, let's consider I have some examples like 1 2 3, because in this case it is actually 1 into n, and n in this case is 3. This is a vector, but this is a row vector. So I think up to this it is very clear. So we discussed what is matrix and what is vector. Whenever there is a dimension equal to 1, it can be row, it can be column. It can be m, it can be n. Whenever there is dimension 1, that will be vector, and if it is like this, then it's a column vector. If it is m is 1, then it's a row vector. Okay, clear up to this? Fine, thank you. Okay, so one last thing in today's class, that is, what is then a general form of a matrix, right? I'll probably use a different color. Okay, what is the general form of a matrix? General form of a matrix, this is a matrix, suppose, and let's consider this is probably m by n matrix. So in this case, our general matrix will be A11, A12 up to A1n, because we have n number of columns, and then this will continue till m1. Let me just make it clear. Okay, so it will continue till m1, a m2, like this, a mn, and these are the elements within the matrix, and this is the general form of a matrix. Hopefully you're clear. So we discussed about matrix, we discussed about vector, and we also discussed about the general form or general representation of a matrix. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.